Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send self-destructing photos or you can say expiring photos in a Telegram. So let's go and open the Telegram application here. And the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on this pencil icon which is on the bottom downside corner. And after that, you will have to select a new chat, this new secret chat. After that, you have to select the person to whom you want, or you can select, let's say if I select this person here, and you can see these three dots in the top right corner, just tap on it, and after that there is an option you will see self-destruct timer. So just click on here and I will select, for example, let's say 6 seconds, and just click on, and after that you have to select the photos. For example, I want to send this photo and just click on send, and you will see you set the self-destructor timer to 6 seconds, and after 6 seconds it will get deleted. Maybe you can't see the whole screen because of some privacy from Telegram, but that's how you can send expiring photos or self-destructing photos on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.